Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to spend Chrono Tokens in Marvel Rivals. Let's begin. So it says here how to earn units in Marvel Rivals. Below is every way players can acquire the units in Marvel Rivals. Naturally, we'll expand on every method more below. So you can achieve units by completing achievement milestones, by progressing in your battle pass, and you can earn units in exclusive events and convert lattice into units. And here it says the best way to use units in Marvel Rivals. You can use the units to buy or purchase character skins, to purchase emotes, and special animations. Players can use units to purchase items in the store like emotes and bundles. Typical bundles such as one with the skin and a couple of more cosmetics. Usually go for about 1,600 units. Since units would usually pile over time with the battle pass or from events, it's wise to use them for bigger expenditures, saving up for more mega purchase to maximize their worthiness. You do not have to use your units straight away. What you can try to do is save up until you have enough to buy some sort of legendary skin. Well, what about Chrono Tokens? Now that you have a good understanding of units and lattice, you may be wondering about Chrono Tokens. Chrono Tokens are the purple currency, whereas units are blue. Earning Chrono Tokens is pretty straightforward. The primary source of earning Chrono Tokens are Battle Pass missions. The difference between Chrono Tokens and units is that Chrono Tokens can only be used strictly to unlock skins, cosmetics, and other items in the Battle Pass. So if you do not have the Battle Pass, then you will not be able to earn Chrono Tokens. It varies according to the item cost, ranging from as low as 200 to as high as 400 Chrono Tokens. So there you go. You can use the Chrono Tokens to purchase specific skins and other cosmetics for your characters. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.